Yes.
Peace be upon you. First of all, I think Allah to give us this chance. And then I think the headmaster to give me this chance to explain the different challenge that facing students to failure in the final exam. So in my state, I want to discuss the different challenge. One among of these challenge is changing of curriculum. The changing of curriculum affects student and teacher negatively, since the student not understand the learning method and then failure to understand how different learning. So the teacher affected on this challenge since lack the preparation of learning to her students. So due to the poor preparation and the lack learning causes the student to fail a final exam. Other challenge is tolerance of students. Tolerance of students will mean that the student not attend in a school. So the student not attend in a school due to the presence of different causes such as lack interest in a school, family problem, and daily friends, so as peer pressure. So this problem causes a student to lack attend in a school and then final will be failed since not learning anything about their exam. So thank you very much.
Thank you for your participation. So, anyone who proceed another challenge, please be upon you. Thank you for giving me this chance to participate my opinion about the challenge that faces our students or that faces our school. Why they have failed in a great extent in their final examination. There are so many challenges, as my fellow teacher has said earlier, but in my side, I will talk about 2 points. The first one is pure cooperation with teacher and parents. When we talk about pure cooperation, there is pure communication. There are no any communication or there are no any information that teacher giving to the parents about their students. Also, parents does not involve in anything about following their children progressing. And this leads to students to have pure performance in their studies. Also, we have shortage of teaching and learning materials and the pure teaching method. In our school, there is shortage of teaching material like books, lab material, and also teacher have bad pure teaching method. Does not have good method of teaching and lead the student to not understand what they are talking about or what they are teaching. In my side, this are the points I put. Thank you. So anyone who remain? Okay. First of all, I should like to thank our one another. Also, I would like to thank my headmaster for giving me this opportunity chance to explain the challenges with facing our school. As a teacher in this school, there is a many challenges with facing our students. The first one is students are not receiving adequate attention in class. I mean that with one teacher handling the class or multiple classes, it is impossible to make every student to understand in the class. So it loads the support from the teachers to the students. Also, um, it's needed to drop the students' result on how this become when the teachers are teaching in the classroom. Would have subjects like mathematics and science. These need support from teachers to students, but due to insufficient of teachers leading to drop in that subject. Also, love affairs. This is relationship between negative relationships. Either it can be students to students, students to teachers, and students to other relatives in the society. I think that this needed to drop their result because they lose their concept and understanding in their subject. Thank you, my partners, for giving me this chance. Thank you too. Now, all of us here, our challenge, the challenge that face our students. So, I want to know how we can, how we can solve this problem in our school for good performance. So, anyone who wants to start? First of all, my thanks Alma for giving me this opportunity to stand here and with you. And second, thanks and I just give me this little chance. On my side, I can proceed on the solution. My first point to avoid my first point change of curriculum. On changing of curriculum, the solution that we can use so as to avoid the failure of students to avoid the frequently change of curriculum. This can help for the student to be performing well on their exams. And second point, to grow truth of the student. This is how. The solution in order to solve the problem of truth of the student, we must to provide different strategies so as to make the student to be near to their student, to their teachers, so as to avoid that problem. Thank you. Thank you. So another, who can try? So, another one, also narrative, problem in order to solve these issues. No, okay. As we say in our challenge that there are poor cooperation between parents and teacher. So the solution is collaborative approach. In order to make our students doing well in their study, parents and teachers should work together to support students' needs. Also, we have to use digital resources as we say that there are problems of teaching and learning material. So, and teaching and learning method. Who are teaching and learning method. So, in our school, we have to use digital resources like online platform, computers, and also teachers have to improve their teaching method in order the